need to learn how to look at these questions. That's the most important thing. My Python questions, codings, ආවම ඒ question එක දිහා බලන විදිය තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. Right? Some students are confused when see the whole question. The question එක දැකපු ගමන් confused වෙනවා. සමහර ළමයි. Why? They are going to find the answer by looking at all the stuff in the question at once. Nobody can find the answer by looking at the whole question. Okay, even I can't do that. And what is the process? You should understand there's a Python code. Okay, right? And analyze the code. First, analyze the code. Just see what's inside. Okay, there are three equal marks. There are three letters S, V, and there's a count. Means all of them are variables. S means a variable, V is a variable, count is a variable. These are the values. S is a string, V is a string, count is a number, 0. Integer. Okay. Done. First three lines are done. We analyze it and we are done with first three lines. Now there's a for loop. When you see the word for, means a loop. Something is going to repeat. What are the stuff it's going to repeat? The stuff inside. This stuff. Okay. Right. Now you need to learn how for loop work. For loop වැඩ කරන විදිහ දන්නවද? In range, for in range. Right. This slide is enough to do that question. The for loop with a range function. Range. There's a number 6. How in range function work in a for loop? Range එකක් තියෙනවා ළමයි 6 එක number එකයි තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් ඒ range එක පටන් ගන්න කීයද? 0 වලින්. Start from 0, assign to x, it will print x, which is 0. Then go up again, assign the second number, which is 1, print the second number, again goes up, assign the third value, which is 2, print it. This is how it works. Repeat the same step again and again. But remember, last number is not going to execute. Sixth one, because we start with 0. This is what important. In range function, start with 0, ends with 5. මතකයි නේද ළමයි? මේ Python වල හැමදෙස්සම අන්තිම number එක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැති වෙලාවල් ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. ඒකෙන් කියන්නේ ඒ හේතුව තමයි ළමයි. We need to repeat this for loop 6 times. That's this number means. මේ 6 කියන number එකේ meaning එක තමයි 6 පාරක් repeat කරන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. If you want to repeat it for 6 times, you need to start. If you starting with 0, you need to end with 5. Then only we can repeat 6 times. Okay, got it right? That's it. That's the only thing you need to know. But the code in the paper is different. What's the difference? You need to analyze it. For loop. Okay. For I is a variable. Okay. Then whatever the values coming from this side is going to assign to I variable one by one. What is a range? What's the answer here? Who can tell me? What is the length of S? S කියන string එකේ length එක මේ තියෙන S. What is the length? You need to count. Length එක කියන්නේ characters කීයක් තියෙනවද? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Space is a character. 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There are 21 characters. The length is 21. Then I variable is going to change from 0 to 20. Okay. Why 0 to 20? Because these string indexes are start from 0, 1, 2, last one is 20. Then what actually happens here? We take numbers from 0 to 20 to I variable. The first number is 0. Now go to this statement. If S0, I mean 0 now. What is S0? S means string. Whatever the string, the index 0 means the first letter, C. Right? Actually, this letter is C. SI means C. In first iteration. First iteration, SI means C. Is C in V? C means a character. Is character C in V? What is V? It's a variable. Is character C in this string? No. Then what is the answer of this condition? False. If the condition is false, does the program execute this line? No. Program even doesn't even look at it. Okay. මේක බලන්නවත් නෑ ළමයි. Then go to the මෙතන ඉවර වෙන්නේ නෑ. It doesn't finish it from here. After this is if statement, it goes up again to the for loop and again check by taking the next value 1. Got it? Which is O. O තියනවද බලනවා. Maybe එකේ නැහැ. Sorry තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් count equal count plus 1. Count එක එකක් වැඩි වෙනවා. Count was 0. Now it's 1. Okay. Likewise, you need to take one character at a time and you need to check that character is in V or not. මේ S කියන variable එකේ characters එකින් එක අරගෙන බලන්න ඕනේ V කියන string එක ඇතුලේ character එක තියෙනවද කියලා. තියෙනවනම් count කරනවා. Count will increase by 1. අන්තිමට count එක print කරනවා. Right? The only important thing you need to understand this program is what it does. මොකද්ද මේ program එකේ කරන්න කියන එක තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ. මේ line එක බලන්න. Right? What you need to understand? You need to understand this for loop is going to take one character at a time of this string and check that string is in this B string. මේ S කියන string එකේ ඇතුළේ තියෙන characters එකකින් එක අරගෙන බලනවා V කියන string එකේ තියෙනවද කියලා character. C තියෙනවද නැහැ. O තියෙනවද? ඔව්. එහෙනම් count එකක් වැඩි කරනවා. R is R exist? No. O yes. Then count will increase by 2. Okay. N no. A yes. 3. Space, you need to check the space as well. Space is a character. Space is not in here. Okay. V no. I yes. O R no. U yes. 5. S no. Space no. P no. A yes. 6. N no. D no. E yes. 7. M no. I yes. 8. C no. There's no C in here. Then count variable is end up with 8. Count variable එකේ අන්තිමටම තියෙන value එක තමයි ළමයි valid value එක. මේවා ඔක්කොම replace වෙලා තියෙනවා. මේවා store වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේ variable එක ඇතුලේ මේ values නැහැ දැන්. Last 12 exes is 8. That is the answer.
Kasun Sameera, shaping your future with the best ICT experience.